Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alex.
And I'm Tony.
Today we're doing a video.
It's a slime video.
So let's get to it.
Alright, go ahead and get started.
It's deep.
Tell me the fun do. Tell me the fun do. These are so gooey.
What's the mystery figure? Tell them, can you guess?
I think it's a combo.
You think it's combo?
Yeah.
I don't need this right now.
I think it's combo.
And Alex has found his. We're looking for a mystery figure.
Found mine.
Alex found his. What did you get, Alex?
I think I found it.
Tony has to keep looking for it. Oh, he found it. What did you get?
Painting.
You got a painter, Ryan.
Painter.
Slime. Wow.
And this is the slime box.
And some goo in there.
Gooey stuff. We're going to move on to the GOO Kit.
Yes.
We have a Ryan GOO Kit that we're going to do. And we're going to make our own.
Goo.
Yeah, so
Like this one.
So we're gonna clean up and we're gonna meet you in a couple minutes. Get this goo off
Okay.
of me, guys.
This is Ryan's goo.
Guys.
So guys, YouTube fans, we are doing a review on Ryan's make your own
Goo Kit.
GOO Kit. How many colors comes in there, Alex?
There is purple, green, and orange.
How many is that?
Three.
3. Perfect. This should be fun, right?
Yeah, this should be fun. Oh, we just need to take this out.
Yeah, rip it out.
Ah! Put some of this stuff in it.
Socks. Hold the socks up, Alex. There's the orange one.
Yeah,
Yep, there's the purple one and the green.
as we tell.
Yep. And then what else did we come? What else come in there? Oh, and they have 3 little containers. Alex is putting the orange one in the first container.
Yeah.
So we're pouring the white powdery stuff into the bowl with the water. Alex, now we need to stir it up.
Yeah.
So now we're stirring into the water
There I
and slowly pouring your orange stuff.
Yeah.
And stir at the same time.
Okay.
So stir, stir, stir. Where it stirs up. Is it going up? Keep stirring.
Goo. So
It's starting to look that way.
it's starting to seem like goo.
Ooh, it is starting to seem like goo. Ooh, now you have to take it out of there with your hand and put it back into the orange container.
Oh, so gooey. Oh,
So you have to just put it in there, all into the white container. It's almost like a Play-Doh, huh?
Play-Doh. That's enough.
Tony is up next. He has the white bowl cleaned out. Oh, and we found the stirring stick.
It's plastic. We're doing purple.
You're doing the purple one?
Yeah.
First step. Pour, pour, pour. And stop. Now, go ahead and put the white powdery stuff in there. And go ahead and pour the white powdery stuff in there. And you're gonna...
I already did it.
Yeah, and then you gotta shake. It looks like you gotta shake it up a little bit.
And stir it up. He's doing the purple color. And once it's stirred in there good, then you can start stirring in the purple stuff.
Well, that's a lot of purple stuff.
And stir at the same time. I'm gonna do this one. Right, sharing is caring, Alex.
I forgot that.
Looks like it's going good. You want Alex to help you out a little bit to keep pouring it in?
No, I got it.
All right, put it to the side. A little bit more. Perfect. That's good. That's good. Now stir, 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 stir.
You need to stir it a lot to turn into goo. And here's the bucket.
So you guys, we probably didn't measure this out right, but that's okay.
We've tried it before, so just let us take our time.
Yeah,
Well, we
take your time.
haven't tried it before, so we really don't know how to do it. We're lucky we do have instructions in it.
Yeah, it's starting to look like goo.
Yeah. Until it's goo, and then put it in here. Let's check on the orange one. Whoa. Like it looks like Play-Doh. Yeah, it does look like Play-Doh. It looks like it's purple.
It's nice. It's
Look
a
at
nice
it.
purple, yeah. You could probably use your fingers now.
I'm sure
Unless we mix the colors, which probably wouldn't be so bad. Could
Yeah,
mix
it would be
you
kind
could
of
mix
cool.
the green and purple.
Be done.
We're moving on to the last one. So go ahead and put the water in. There we go. And then we're going to add the white stuff.
Go ahead.
It was like a dust that went all in Alex's.
It was like.
Alright, Tony or somebody grab the stir. Alright, and now, Tony, pour in the green stuff. This is the color.
Ooh. You saw that?
Stir it in. Stir it until it gets
Okay,
gooey.
you do it, Alex. You're doing all the work yourself. Yeah.
Because
It looks like zombie
It
blood.
does look like a zombie color.
It looks like zombie blood.
because zombie blood. The zombie blood is not purple.
Oh, it's green. It's green. Zombie blood is green, right? 5 more stirs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, I just did pour the whole thing in. It's gonna come out.
Yeah. Well, we don't really need to. We don't have to pour all of it because we're not even doing another one. It looks like we kind of fell. Well, we do our best.
Oh, it's gonna drip it out. Wait, it's gonna drip it out.
They get stuck. I'm definitely washing my hands after this. Put them in. So sticky.
Alex
Which
wants to
one's
know
the
what
best?
your favorite one was.
Yeah.
Tony
Green or orange?
wants to know, what did you like about this video?
Hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And get our merch too. It's called Love and Loyalty. Merch.
Don't forget to purchase your merch, Love and Loyalty t-shirts.
Link in the subscription below. Thanks you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.